Hey everybody! I am very excited to give you the second part of this week's challenge. My name is Todd Nesloney. For those who don't know me, I am Tech Ninja Todd on Twitter. If you hear really loud thunder, please ignore it. I am sitting at an elementary school principal conference this week and doing this from my hotel room, and there is a crazy storm here in San Antonio with tornado warnings and everything. But I want to share with you about Remind101. I absolutely love this company, and they are just a great resource to use to text parents and students without ever needing their phone number, and they never need yours. It is a one-way communication tool, and it is completely free. So when you go to Remind101.com, this is the page that you will get to, and you go ahead and create your account. Just sign up. It's very easy to use. You can also download the app from the App Store, whether you have an Android device or an Apple device. I actually exclusively work from the app. So I just create my account on the website, and then I only use the app. I don't even ever use the website. But once you log in, this is what it will look like, and you'll be able to create different classes or groups. You see I have 3 classes created here. I have my Math 2013, my Intermediate Teachers, and my Summer Learning Series. And you can add several other classes. So if you wanted to add a class for your Bible study group or the sport that you coach or your family or whatever you want to do, you can add multiple groups. And so when you get in here, you can send a message to your group. There's a 140 character limit, so you have to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. You can also attach files to your messages, so if you want to attach a PDF or a picture or things like that, and they can open it directly on their device. The other thing that I love about Remind101 is this scheduling feature. So I can choose to schedule a text to go out at a later date and time. So if I know there's a field trip coming up in 3 months, I can go ahead and schedule it with Remind101 to go out, and it'll go out automatically. Now, how do you get parents to sign up for this? Well, on the side of your group after you create it is an Invite Students and Parents link. All you have to do is click that link, and it'll pop up. You can do a full screen presentation where if you were doing on Meet the Teacher Night, you could have this up on your whiteboard. You can download a PDF to send home, and this PDF has all the instructions for you. You don't have to make anything, which is what's great about Remind101. And then there's a newer feature that you can click on this link directly. And so you can just give this link to parents and say, hey, go click on this link and sign up for Remind101. When they click on it, what it will do is it will open a page that all they have to do is type their phone number in, hit enter, and they're signed up for your Remind101 group. They can also choose to sign up for email alerts if they don't want to get text alerts, or they can choose to sign up for both. I do have some parents that have signed up for both. And so they get a specific code and they'll sign up. I think that Remind101 is the best tool. I will say that it does use their text messages, so you do need to talk to parents about it. If they have a limited number of text messages, this does use it, but it works with smartphones and dumb phones. So it doesn't matter what kind of phone you have, you can use Remind101. The other features that I like is that if you scroll down, you can see all the messages I've sent and when I sent them. That Remind101 has it set where you cannot delete it. So you can never get rid of the record of text that you have sent out. So it keeps you safe in the long run. You can also tweet out your messages after you've sent them. And what you can do is you can see everybody who's signed up for your tweets or your texts. I would go ahead, and my advice is always to sign up for your own Remind101 class as if you were a parent in your class. That way, when you send out messages, you'll know they'll come through because they'll come through to your phone. And it just makes everything that much easier. The other thing you need to know about Remind101 is that you cannot send a message to individual people. You can send it to the whole group, or you can send it to small groups as small as 3. So if you have maybe 5 kids who aren't bringing something back signed, instead of sending out a reminder to the whole group, you can choose those 5 people and send it to them. You can also, if you have multiple groups, send one message to multiple groups. So if I want to send a message to math, there's the math. I could also say I also want to send a message to Navasota Intermediate Teachers. And I want to send a message to the Summer Learning Series. And I have those selected. And then I can type my message here. And then all I have to do is hit send, and Remind101 will send it out to all of my people for me. Remind101 is completely free, and it will always be free. This company is one of the best companies I've ever had anything to do with. The people who run it are incredible. And they have a lot of really great features that are coming out, including a rebranding that's coming up soon. So they'll have a little bit of a different logo coming out and everything, hopefully in the next week, I think. So definitely pay attention to the site. You'll notice a couple little bitty changes here and there, but overall it will all work out the same. So your challenge for this week is to create your own Remind 101 group so that you can start using it the first day of school. And if you've already created a Remind 101 group, great, go in there and create a new group for this next school year. If you're an administrator, create one for your staff or your family or your Bible study. Just get out there and create a Remind 101. And then use the links in the email that you have to set up or to sign in for my Remind 101 group so that you can be attached to that, because I'll be sending out text reminders about our summer learning series. Thanks, guys, and see you next week.